Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and today we are talking about a 3-watch collection that's affordable and maybe just a killer lineup for the money. Oh, and don't forget, we are announcing the winner of our giveaway today, so stay tuned for that. This is going to be fun. You know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches. Straight out of the intro, right into a wrist check. Today's watch is a diver by WM. This is the 203. This is an automatic diver with sapphire and 200 meters of water resistance. It has bright colors and everything is stainless steel. Check it out. Today we are talking about a trio of watches that was suggested to us by a viewer as an awesome, affordable watch collection. We are going to hit specs, gripes and likes, and then check to see if we are on the right track. Okay, here we go. Up first is the all-important diver. Everyone needs a diver in their collection. How about the Tandorio 62 MAS? This is a budget homage to Seiko's classic diver, so let's see how it holds up and run through the tale of the tape. This is a dive watch with a 41 millimeter case diameter, 47 millimeters lug to lug, and it's around 14 millimeters thick. And this Tandorio has a 20 millimeter lug width. The case and bracelet is 316L stainless steel with a domed AR-coated sapphire crystal and a 120-click unidirectional rotating ceramic bezel. This diver has a screw-down crown and case back, and if you're wondering about water resistance, Tandorio claims to have a solid 300 meters. When we are talking about affordable automatic watches, there should be no surprise to hear it's powered by a Seiko NH35, which is the case here. There's a lot to like about this diver. It's very rugged and reliable. It has really good lume, a solid bezel action, and of course the design is absolutely timeless. Not to mention you can get this on sale, and depending on the version, starting in the mid-70s. But it's not perfect, and there are a couple of gripes. First of all, it's a chunky boy. At 14 millimeters thick, it rides a little tall on the wrist, and it's not going under your dress shirt cuff very easily. Also, the bracelet is decent, but it's not quite affordable luxury level. But again, keep in mind it works as intended and keeps the cost down, and it provides you with strong specs. This is where they cut back. There has to be a trade-off, but it's a solid start to an affordable collection. Let's keep rolling, and this is watch number 2, the Militato ML08, also known as the Murph. After you add your diver, you may want something with a little more versatility. Let's dart through the specs of the Murph. This one has a 38 millimeter case diameter. However, I've measured it 3 times and it's definitely closer to 39. It's a beautifully thin 10.6 millimeters, has a nice 20 millimeter lug width, which as you know will open up the world to you for strap options. You also get a clear piece of sapphire crystal and a brushed case with clean polished bezel edges. Power and everything about this watch is a VH31 Mecha Quartz, and it's loomed up. You get C3 Super Luminova. This one is lightweight, comfortable, and works pretty much with any strap, whether it's a leather, a NATO, or the stainless steel that this one has. You name it, it just works. The dial is simple, legible, and the field watch charm that you get with it is polished just enough to pull off a daily office watch. So as far as the likes, just think about the specs we just ran through. It's a great size, and it's both stainless steel and sapphire. And you gotta like the price. This daily watch comes under $60, which is really insane value for the money. When looking at the gripes, I guess we can nitpick finishing, but even that is hard to do when you think about what you paid for it. The brushing isn't San Martin or Chronos level, and the lume can be hit or miss in strength. Also, it doesn't have the same wrist presence as the Tandorio, but that's kind of the point. It's low profile, versatile, and feels that daily roll well. And let's move on to watch number 3. This is our chronograph submission into our affordable watch collection. This is the Pagani Design PD1701. Everyone wants and needs a chronograph, and the 1701 just hits with all cylinders. This one borrows a lot of design cues from the Speedmaster, but keep in mind the price is low by using the Seiko VK63 Mecha Quartz hybrid movement. That means you are getting a sweeping chrono seconds hand when it's running, and the accuracy and reliability of a quartz. Let's run through the specs. You get a 42 millimeter case diameter, 47 millimeters lug to lug, and it's also around 14 millimeters thick. You get sapphire crystal, a stainless steel case, and 100 meters of water resistance. This is a very nice looking chrono and is proven to be one of the more popular models, not only with Pagani Design, but throughout all brands that have affordable chronographs. Some of the likes regarding the 1701 are the aesthetics. This thing just looks fantastic for the money. You get a nice functional chronograph with a build that feels solid on the wrist. The bracelet is better than you would expect at this price bracket, and the subdial layout is clean. These watches have great legibility and a beautiful open dial. I also like the contrast of these models as well. And now let's take a look at the gripes. It's a bit thick at 14 millimeters. It's chunkier than the Milifortic, and you definitely feel it. Being quartz, some collectors may show less interest, although the VK63 is a great compromise for usability and performance. And way too often, Pagani Design has given us poor lume, and they do it again here. Now, the lume is not a deal breaker for me, but I do respect that it may be for you. Now, before we announce our winner for the watch giveaway, let's do a quick collection rundown. This is a 3-piece collection for less than $200. You get a diver, the Tandorio 62 MAS Homage, which gives you rugged all-terrain reliability with real dive specs. You get a daily wear watch, the Milifortic Murph, and it balances the collection with a slimmer, more versatile field watch aesthetic. And finally, you have a chronograph, the Pagani Design PD1701, which adds functionality and style, plus you get that speedy, inspired look without the price tag. So, is this a strong, affordable 3-watch collection? I'd say absolutely yes. You've got a diver that you can take a beating, a slim field watch that works anywhere, and a chronograph when you want some complication and style. So the question is, would I tweak it and when? I think maybe I would swap the chrono for something mechanical down the road if you wanted a more collector's credibility vibe. But as it stands, for under $200 total, this trio covers just about every situation you can run into, and that is smart collecting. Okay, it's time to announce the winner of our latest giveaway, and thank you to everyone who took the time to enter. We've got more giveaways coming. All right, here we go. Congratulations to Ramsey Crate 265. You are the proud owner of the Addie's Dive Sumo, and I just know you'll love it. It's the AD2102. Please reach out to me at info@mydudewatch.com, and we will be glad to get that right out to you. All right, guys, we put links in the description for these watches just in case you want to know more. If you decide to make a purchase, just remember My Dude Watch may get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. We appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It'll only take you a second, but it really does help. All right, I've been told to wrap it up, so we will close the show. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch, and we'll do it all again next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late. My Dude Watch, that's a